Welcome to Psychology Guide for You. In this video, we will be discussing descriptive statistics and measures of central tendency. Before going deep into descriptive statistics, hope you have watched the video on levels of measurement. Each level of measurement, that is nominal, ordinal, interval, and the ratio, determines the type of analysis and mathematical operations that can be performed, with the ratio being the most informative and nominal being the least. There are two types of statistics: descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics focus on summarizing and organizing data to reveal its fundamental characteristics without making predictions or inferences beyond the available data. Whereas inferential statistics, which focuses on making predictions or generalizations about a population based on a sample. Descriptive statistics, as we discussed, summarize or describe the characteristics of a data set. They help to provide a quick overview of the data, allowing for easy interpretation of the central tendency, variability, and distribution of the data set. Few application questions of descriptive statistics can be: what is the average score of students on the mathematics test? What is the spread or variability in the scores? Can you summarize the overall performance, highlighting key features of the score distribution? How many students scored above a certain threshold in this test? Descriptive statistics can be divided into three main categories: measures of central tendency, measures of variability, that is dispersion, and measures of shape. Let's look into measures of central tendency. A measure of central tendency is a single value that attempts to describe a data set by identifying the central position within the set of data. As such, central tendency measures are sometimes called central location measures. They are classed as summary statistics. The mean, often called as the average, is most likely the measure of central tendency you are most familiar with, but there are others such as the median and the mode. The mean, median, and the mode are all valid measures of central tendency, but under different conditions. Some measures of central tendency become more appropriate to use than others. In the following sections, we will look at the mean, median, and mode and learn how to calculate them under the conditions what they are most appropriate to be used. First one is mean, which is arithmetic average. Measure of central tendency describes the center or typical value of the data. The mean is the sum of all data points divided by the number of points. X bar is equal to sigma x divided by n, whereas sigma represents the summation, x represents the observations, and n represents the number of observations. The second one is median. The median is the middle value when data is arranged in ascending order. If there is an even number of data points, the median is the average of the two middle values. If the total number of observations n is an odd number, then the formula is given below, that is, median is equal to n plus 1 by 2 observation, and if the total number of observations n is an even number, then the formula is given as median is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. The third one is mode. The mode is the most frequently occurring value in the dataset. There may be more than one mode in a dataset, that is bimodal or multimodal, or no mode at all if all values are unique. The value or number in a dataset which has a frequency or appears more frequently is called as mode or modal value. Now let's see how mean, median, and mode are related. The three estimates of central tendency, that is the mean, median and mode, are related by the following empirical relationship. That is 2 mean plus mode is equal to 3 median. That's all for today's video. Thank you.